third quarter.
To number 77, to number 6, back to number 1. My pick. To number 77, tumilar ng 3. To number 77, tumilar ng 3. Out! And in. Dadolya pa rin. To number 23, 15 seconds to shoot. Gailon. Ano ito? Ang tawag. Number 1. Warning bench lawan. Warning for physical bench lawan. Number 71, Trubaldo. Pumukol ng 3. 71, Trubaldo. Pumukol ng 3. Pasok yan. Baldo, 3 points. Number lawan with 8 minutes 42 in third quarter. Number 1 inbounding from this line. To number 72, tumatanggap ng bola. Number 72. To number 1, tumira niya papasok. Rebound, Balais. Binigay kay Gailon. To Balais. To Baldo. Dadulya. Tapat ni Kihol. Dadulya. Pull up jumper mula sa may pamilya. Pull up jumper mula sa may foul line. Pasok yan. Number 1 against to number 77. To number 1, to number 36. This line jumper, hindi ang papasok niya, gawa ng rebound. Nabubuta sa kamay number 72. May pump. Mawawala ng bola sa number. Okay. There's a whistle. Kitang-kita sa CCTV. 4 personal fouls. Number 72, that was the fourth foul instruction against you.